Do you have a pet? If so, what kind? I've had pets when I was younger, a child. I had a cat named Patches, and because it was a calico cat. And my mom also got a couple dogs, little dogs named Tom and Jerry. But as an adult, I don't have any pets. Couple of reasons. Number one, pets tend to get into things, and I don't want to come home and have my guitars, have all my guitars messed up, or have my keyboards on the floor because one of the pets got into it. And also, I'm away from the house every day for like 9-10 hours, so I think a pet needs a little bit more companion time than that. So I wouldn't have the time to take care of a pet. Now, if I did have a pet, I would definitely like to have a golden retriever dog, because they're the best kind, I think. If you were a bartender, what famous person would you like to serve? Taylor Swift, just because I think it would be hilarious to see her get drunk. If you could choose your last words, what would they be? I'm not really sure what my last words were. Just kidding. I really don't know what I would want my last words to be. Maybe something like, "Hey guys, watch this." Do I have a calling on your life? Do you have a calling on your life? Hardly anybody ever calls me. I mean, the only people that call me are scammers and my work at... Oh, wait a minute. That's not what you meant. A calling for my life. Not really. I'm just living. That's really all I'm doing. Have you ever let someone win an argument even if you knew you were right? If so, who? Generally, MAGA people, you kind of have to let them win the argument in a way, because they're not going to believe any sort of facts you have, even though you put them right in front of them. They're always set in their ways because they're just too set in their ways, I guess. But generally, MAGA, it's just whatever. You believe what you want to believe. You know, this is called a book, but if you want to call it an automobile, I guess you're going to call it an automobile no matter what I say.